Hey everyone, welcome back to GigaGuide, your VIP pass to the latest in cutting-edge tech. Today, we're diving deep into what could be Samsung's most exciting foldable ever, the long-rumored Galaxy G Fold. Yes, the mythical trifold phone might finally be real, and trust us, the leaks are heating up. We've been hearing whispers for what feels like forever. Leaks, patents, murmurs from insiders, all pointing to one thing, that Samsung's working on a completely new foldable form factor. Something beyond the Z Fold, beyond the Flip. A device that doesn't fold once, but twice. Enter the G Fold. For years, Samsung's dominated the foldables game, but let's be honest, they've been playing it safe. The Z Fold has evolved, sure, but the core design hasn't changed much since 2020. The G Fold? That's where things get bold again. During Samsung's Q1 2025 earnings call, the company said it plans to maximize product competitiveness based on form factor innovation. Sounds like classic corporate speak, but for tech watchers, it's a massive clue. That line strongly suggests a new design category, and with patents and prototypes already surfacing, it's all lining up for the trifold G Fold to make its debut. Not to mention, Samsung also said foldables will soon deliver larger screen experiences. And that sounds like a direct reference to the G Fold's rumored 9.9-inch unfolded display. For context, the Z Fold 6 only reaches 7.6 inches. This could be a near-tablet experience that still fits in your pocket. So, what do we actually know? According to insiders, the Galaxy G Fold will feature a unique inward trifold design, likely using dual hinges to fold the phone into thirds. Think of it as unfolding a brochure, but with a flexible ultra-premium AMOLED display. The engineering challenge is huge, but if anyone can pull it off, it's Samsung. The rumored 9.9-inch screen would make it the biggest display ever on a foldable phone. And while early whispers say S Pen support might be missing, that makes sense. Stylus input on a trifold with multiple hinges could be tricky for a first-gen release. Unfortunately, the G Fold might not launch globally right away. Reports suggest the initial rollout will be limited to China and South Korea, similar to how Samsung previously tested special editions. It's a classic Samsung strategy: test new designs in key markets, then scale if the response is strong. If the rumors are true, the Galaxy G Fold could be the biggest leap in mobile design since the original Galaxy Fold. A device this compact yet this expansive could change how we work, play, and create on the go. Imagine having tablet-level screen real estate in your jeans pocket. Content creators, multitaskers, gamers, this thing would be a dream machine. And let's be real, competition is catching up. Oppo, Honor, and others are pushing boundaries in foldables. The G Fold could be Samsung's counterpunch, a bold statement-making product that reaffirms their dominance in the foldables market. But make no mistake, this is uncharted territory. Trifold designs are incredibly complex. The hinge system, the battery placement, durability, weight, software optimization. There are a lot of moving parts. But if Samsung gets it right, it won't just be another phone. It'll be the beginning of a new device category. So, when can we expect the G Fold? Current leaks point to a reveal alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in early July, possibly at a major Unpacked event in New York City. That would be Samsung's first US-based foldables launch in years, and it would be the perfect stage for something this ambitious. Whether we get a full release or just a teaser, one thing is clear: the Galaxy G Fold is real, and it could redefine what smartphones are capable of. If you're as hyped as we are about the G Fold, make sure to subscribe to GigaGuide. We'll be tracking every leak, update, and insider drop right up to launch day. Hit that like button if you love bold tech, and let us know in the comments. Would you buy a trifold, or is it too much fold for one phone? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos covering tech trends, gadgets,